Hi, this video is grammar. Number 3D, the title is future tense in Cantonese. This is future tense number 1. We have many methods to express the future tense, but basically we usually use the words 會 or 要. We have two examples. Number 1, 妹妹會溫習歷史. That means little sister will study history. We put the word 會 in between the subject and the verb. Example number 2, 妹妹要溫習歷史. It also means that little sister will study history. We also put the word 要 in between the subject and the verb. In some cases, we put the word 將 before 會 or put it before 要 to emphasize something will be happen. 會 and 要 also mean will be, something will be happen, but basically 會 means that something will be happen, but it doesn't indicate a specific time. But when we use the word 要, it implies that something will be happen in a very near future. In example number 1, when we use the word 會, it means that the little sister will study history, but it doesn't say when. But in example number 2, when we use 要, it means that little sister is going to study history, and maybe after a few minutes or just right now. This is future tense number 2. In this session, we will learn how to put some elements in the sentence to show the times and place of an action. Example number 1, 妹妹每天晚餐後會溫習歷史. Little sister will study history every night after supper. And in this case, we put the time indicator in between the subject and the verb to show when does the action happen. Example number 2, 妹妹每天晚餐後會在書房溫習歷史. Little sister will study history in the study room every night after supper. In this case, we put the place indicator after the time indicator to show that where does the action happen. In Chinese grammar, we don't have the term time indicator or place indicator. I make these terms just want to make you more understand the function of the phases. So we have learned how to use a phase to indicate when and where does the action happen. And usually the format is put the time indicator and then the place indicator in between the subject and the verb. And you can use this sentence structure in all tenses. In some cases, we can put the time indicator at the beginning of the sentence in order to emphasize the time of an action. And in another case, we can put the place indicator at the beginning of the sentence. Of course, you must change some word and put some more preposition. And I will tell you how to do it in other lessons.